sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and very bright.
Heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents, teachers,
and elders.
and
I shall treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
I
place my devotion.
place my devotion
In their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you.